Hi, I'm Julie, and my assignment was from chapter 30, question number 2, and it talks about whether or not you can create a picture in Excel, which is called a histogram, that summarizes values in a data set, and the answer is yes, you are able to create a histogram in Excel. So I am just going to come up all the way to the top, and let's say that I wanted to do a histogram for all of the values from Microsoft. I can simply just come here and I will actually highlight the entire column as far as the values go. I'll go up here into Insert, and then this little chart icon right here that actually is for all statistics, and that's where you'll find the histogram. You can also go under recommended charts and it'll kind of show you what they recommend. That's where you can also find the histograms. So we're just going to go here and then you'll see the histogram pop up. You can change the title, and because we did Microsoft here, I can go ahead and do Microsoft. I can give it a title. You always want to give your charts titles. If I double click down here where these values numbers are, this icon over here to the right will show up as far as format access, and I want to come here and go under the options, under number format. If I select number, it will actually change these down here so that in the horizontal axis, so that I can actually see what the ranges are, and so we can leave that one to the side, and let's go again and do another histogram. Let's go all the way to the top. And let's just go and do for Intel, and I want to come down and highlight all of the information, go up here into Insert again, and let's just do it from the recommended charts. I can see a scatter plot, a line chart, but we want to do a histogram. And let's change the title on here, which once you double click on that, the format chart title will appear over here on the right hand side, but we want to change the title on here, and we'll just come down here and do the same thing. Go down to number format, change this from link to source to number, and it'll do the same thing. It'll actually give you a full an actual number so that you can clearly see what the categories are. And yeah, if you go down and you can continue doing it for each and every one of these categories, and then you can compare and contrast what the histograms are. Thank you so much.